Hi everybody, this is Untitled Chapter, back another day with another unboxing. And the package looks damaged, but it's not. It's just because after I picked it up, the rain was pouring down outside. So the package is all wet. And I think that's suitable for the subject because this is another brand of shoe cleaning products, and since I guess Jason Mark was the first big one of that made shoe cleaning products, and then Crep Protect or Crep overall, they really took over the market and lifted the product for the people. I used to sell Crep Protect, and back then people didn't have faith in the product. They didn't know that there was such a good product out there. And then after that, I think I've tried them all. Jason Mark, Crep, Sneaker Lab. What I haven't tried is Rejuveneer, an American brand that we don't have here in Sweden. And here we have Shoe Shame, and I think this is a couple of products. Let's see here. All right, so let's do this unboxing correctly. The name of this company is Shoe Shame, and they're pretty new in the market, but I see them in many stores and I hear a lot about them. So the marketing is good, I guess, but I've also heard that there are, as I said, I've tried all the products, all the brands, and all of them have both pros and cons. And if I remember correctly, this is, as they say themselves, perfect fit between technology and nature. These products are more environment friendly than the other brands, and that's always good. Here we have, back. This is Loose the Dirt cleaning gel with double-sided brush. And here we have your shoe bag that is too small for a pair of shoes, but maybe for low tops, I think, or dirty towels. And here we have a very soft microfiber towel. Everything is branded with Shoe Shame. And here we have the big box, the ultimate sneaker maintenance kit. Shoe Shame box fresh technology. Cool box. As you know, I love nice packaging. Oh, very nice packaging. Very nice. Smells good. I like this box. Maybe not so environment friendly, but I like it. So here we have a brush that is better to grip than the small 3 wooden ones from Jason Mark or Crep. If you clean a couple of shoes, that I usually do, I take like 5 or 6 pairs of shoes at a time. That small brush is a little bit too small for you to grip hard a long time. This feels a lot better with the bigger grip. The soft side is soft and the hard side is hard. Upper and midsole, yeah, all good there. Then we have Remember White, easy to use cover and color that makes your shoes white again. Okay, this is probably a product to make your shoe sole white again. I bought a pen from Crep a while ago that I haven't tried yet, I think. Maybe I've even lost it. And the pen thing is kind of nice because it's easier to use. This is a fluid, and okay, with a sponge. All right, I've tried older products like this and it works just fine. These I really like. Wipe and walk, cleaning wipes. I have one of these or something like this with me in my bum bag all the time. So if I'm outside, somebody steps on my shoes, I can easily clean them off instead of being irritated or ashamed of having dirty shoes. Deo spray for great smelling shoes. Sweet feet. So this is to get your shoes, let me see here, spray inside of the shoe air dry, so to get your shoes to smell better. Lose the dirt, probably the same product as in here. Cleaning gel removes dirt on all the materials. All right, so this is the main product for cleaning your shoes. Quite a small bag, 150 milliliters. But my experience is from the other brands that the bottle that is usually like 150 or 200 or 200 milliliters, it lasts a long time. You can wash about at least 20 pair of shoes with even more than that. So usually it lasts a long time. And then we have the shoe shield, protective spray that keeps dirt and water out on all materials. This is the shoe impregnation. Is that the correct word in English? In Swedish we say that, impregnation. Either way, this is the product that you put on your clean shoes to help the dirt stay away. So let's open this box as well. I'm pretty sure that we have Lose the Dirt product here as well, because it says so on the box, but maybe there is something else, probably a brush. I like the packaging. I like that they're all square. I've seen in the stores when they have it, I guess that's another kit, a smaller kit than this, all standing up. I like that. I don't want to scratch the box with my knife. Yeah, so they have this where the product is standing up, but a bigger one. So this is the cleaning kit for your shoes, and this is the big kit. So yeah, this is the unboxing. I'm probably gonna get back to you, maybe not with a video, but with a blog post after I try the products. Thank you very much for this. The packaging looks great. Product smells good. This package is really complete, because even if we have complete packages from the other brands, they never give you the wipes with those kits. So great. Towel, the bag for your shoes. Yeah, I like it. Thank you very much. Shoe Shame. And you guys, please subscribe. I'm just like 80 subscribers away from 1,000, maybe 85. So please subscribe, comment, share the video. Ask me if you have any question about these products or anything else. I'll do my best to answer your questions. Thanks. Give me a thumbs up.